Okay, so I'm going to leave you with some drills to work on putting. And one of my favorites, in my opinion, is I refer to it as the box drill. So it requires 4 tees.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to take your putter and we want to set it up. Now you don't have to putt towards a hole, but obviously we want to see that. So try to get the line right, but we want the tees to be just wider than our putter face. So we'll go front of the putter, just off the inside of the putter, and then just off the back.
Okay.
So hence our box, right? And obviously, the narrower the tees, the harder it is.
Yes.
Okay. So you can either start with the ball at the front of the box or in the middle, but the idea is we're going to take this putter back and not hit those tees. Okay, because you had a tendency to come there, so you would whack that. Obviously that's exaggerated, but it'll kind of keep your stroke. A lot of people also use a chalk line, but this is a really easy setup. And then we're also focusing on the corrections that we made with your setup. So ball position,
Yes.
The grip, okay? We also did, I want you to experiment with kind of opening that stance up.
Okay.
So another thing this kind of does, so this kind of makes a straight line, these 2 tees. So that would be square, and I want you just to be a little open to those back tees.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so roll a few, I just want to see you do that. And obviously you might have to adjust based on the line of the putt you're trying to hit. Good job, good fix. Very good. So that might be where I have it set up. We would just move it, but it shows you, it helps you with your path, okay? It also, in my mind, kind of helps you with your setup. And then you notice how your first instinct was to put it back in that stance. So we got to make sure that that ball position's up towards his heel, okay? Left armpit. There you go. Does that make sense?
Yes,
Okay, I call this the box drill.
Okay.
The last drill I want you to do, pretty much every time you get to putt, that'll help you with your lag putting. I call it 40-40s. So I want you to find an uphill putt and a downhill putt. So you can go uphill 40 feet, downhill 40 feet. And I want you to do that 10 times, and we've got a 2-putt. I'm gonna put pressure on you. I wanna say like 7 out of the 10 times. So we're looking for 70%.
Okay.
Okay, and then challenge yourself to increase that. So, but they gotta be uphill and they gotta be downhill.
Yes.
We got at least 2-putt. Okay, so we have the box drill and the 40-40s. And the best thing about this, it shouldn't take you very long.
Yeah.
But a little bit of focus here will go a long way.
Yes.
You understand those?
Yes.